Hi, today we are talking about energy balance and energy expenditure. So, what is energy expenditure and how do energy balance is maintained? So explain the energy balance is relation between the levels of energy intake of expenditure. Energy intake is energy absorbed to maintain the body. So, energy expenditure is energy used in cellular metabolism or lost of from the excretory routes. So, occur when energy intake matches the energy expenditure. So what are the different conditions here? So energy balance is majorly we can equation we can maintain the either energy balance can be nil, no energy, some of the status weight, and negative or positive charges means some energies are surplus of and potential increase the in body. So some negative means the energy benefit the potential of body weight reductions. So these are the conditions we can maintain this energy balance and equations. So energy intake. So one components of energy equations, one energy source under cholesterol, protein, fat, alcohol. So diet assessment tools of estimation are energy intake of 24 hours and recall the food diaries. So energy expenditure, the components of other energy equations are energy nutrients like cholesterol, fat, proteins, and break down in tissues and to power the muscle and contractions and other cells activities. So resulted energy released from the body in the forms of hot energy, kilocalories. So 1 kilocalories of heat energy and amount of heat required to raise temperature 1 kg per water by the 1 degree of centigrade in 4.288 kgs. These are the metabolic rate condition describes the amount of energy released a given unit of time. So tools of assessments of energy expenditure. So direct calorimetry and metabolic chamber. So by using measurements of gases utilized produced during energy metabolism directly. Where a person enters into an insulated room temperature metabolic, so chamber is specific period. So heat is disappointed by body is measured. So mechanism of heat release the warms a layer of matter of fluids surrounding the chamber. So the changes of fluids of temperature reflects the persons of energy expenditure. So indirect calorimetry like a metabolic cot that measures the weak oxygen and weak carbon dioxide. So where the tubing connects with the two person while the at rest or engaged in physical act. So mechanism volume carbon dioxide produced is divided into volume of oxygen is consumption viewed to yields respiratory expenditure ratio, respiratory exchange ratio. So this respiratory exchange ratio is used to directly and contributions of made by the fat and cholesterol total energy expenditure because of oxidation of these nutrients associated with the different ratios, so velocity of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So now used in a weight and management programs to better predict the energy expenditure for diet precautions. So components of energy expenditure total energy expenditure C1 resting metabolic rate and thermo effect of activity and adaptive thermogenesis. Basal and resting membrane membrane restrictions these are the thing basal metabolism. So basal metabolism energy expended during the non-active test. So non-active rest measured in the climate controlled of room temperature at least 12 hours after the meal. So basal metabolic rate during this metabolism during the specific period of 1 hour after 1 hour or 1 day. So resting membrane rate resting metabolic rate is used interchangeable. It restricts the 4 hours effect after meal prior assessment of later the intake. So basal metabolic rate or resting membrane resting metabolic rate it is related about the homeostasis including energy expenditure, cell turnover, the resting heart rate or respiration and urine production and protein and nucleic acid. So about 50 to 75%, 60 to 75% expend basal metabolic rate or resting metabolic rate respectively. So basal metabolic rate estimations of basal basal energy 70 by basal metabolic tree, and so these are the Harris Benedict's formula or also if WHO equations. Some of the equations are we have to maintain these equations and WHO and Harris Benedict, and also these are the basal energy. These are the things. So coming to comparison basal metabolic rate, male has higher basal metabolic rate to female due to the greater skeletal muscle and to adipose tissue ratio, the like gender difference in oxygen consumption, and like we oxygen woman has 80% what men consumption. So in fact, infant like has a higher basal metabolic rate to adults due to the greater percentage of female than the adults are engaged in rapid tissue of growth. So this is the thermal effects of these are things. So we can thermal effect of food. So increase the energy of expenditure associated with the consumed food, and represents increase the total the attribute the digestions of absorption, metabolism, storage of nutrients. So estimations estimations to be 10% of total expenditure intake of the during the 250 kilocalories from the 2500 kilocalories work for the 24 hours period. Like it may be also influence of the size of large, more, and consumption of meal cholesterol, protein, and more these things. So what are the adaptive thermogenesis? Thermogenesis is the energy expenditure increases we even decreases due to the changes in environmental temperature and exposure to radiant energy, and manipulate the energy expenditure to regulate the body temperature. Applicable to the travel and athletes to cool the environment. So finally, we will conclude about the energy balance and energy intake and energy expenditure and basal metabolic and total estimation will total energy ratio, total energy expenditure. So terminologies. So today we will discuss about this energy balance and energy expenditure ratio, and these are the things we will be talking about the body temperature, basically these are the advantages.